You know guys, ये मेरी पहली क्लास है आपके साथ. Accounts is a very interesting subject क्योंकि इसमें interest होता है. It could also get very taxing. Let's take a break, guys. So boring.
Hello everyone, I am Shruti from TKWS Institute of Banking and Finance. So our today's topic is how you learn on virtual mode. As you already know about current scenario of COVID-19. COVID-19 and the associated health concerns have turned the world upside down. All nations and people are expressing similar challenges of shield themselves against the potential infection. As a result, large number of people have been forced to stay indoor or work from home. Recognizing that these are unpredictable times, calling for extraordinary steps, schools and colleges have embraced digital learning to ensure the academic calendar and the learning requirements of students are not compromised. Learning is a skill or knowledge acquiring through study or experience. Online learning is the reimagination of the educational process that maximizes available virtual classroom software to engage geographical range student fully. This environment brings flexibility into the process regarding scheduling, content availability, and structure, which allows students to access the learning material when and where they choose. Element of e-learning and traditional learning include similar factors such as motivation, content, stimulus, and opportunity to apply education and assessment, which may compromise of quizzes, tests, and demonstration and rewards, which are traditionally graded that support the achievement of degree of certification. With online learning, engagement of student is also critical to keep moving towards their goal. We all know how much we are all benefited for a solid routine in the classroom or in any field of learning. And the same is true for online learning as well. Set out a clear timetable for assignments, deadline, video conference, lessons and group activities and make sure this is clearly disseminated to all students. It is also helpful to set up processes for checking in with students and taking attendance at the start of each online activity as well as checking out at the end of it. To be able to give students timely and pertinent give feedback, it's important to keep tab on their progress. Our activity, dashboard and mystery box make this a breeze for you. Easily track which student need help, what they need help with and improvement the class has made in real time as your student complete the quiz. Mandatory period of remote learning is a great opportunity to get creative with teaching strategies and tools that you might not otherwise have the time or capacity to use in the classroom. Why not use a music video to teach poetry or a for science TV show to support a science lesson about the body? How about a flipping classroom via video calling or new way of collaboration work? Well, the possibilities are endless with virtual learnings. Both instructor and learner can avail the benefit from e-learning opportunities. The amount learned in an e-learning environment was higher than the acquired in a lecture-based course. Do you have any tips and tricks to make the most out of virtual learning? We love to hear your suggestions and feedbacks in comment below.